Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the top 5 best wireless HDMI video transmitter receivers. If you're tired of tangled cables and want to enjoy seamless, high-quality video streaming, these devices might be just what you need. Stick around as we break down the pros and cons of each product to help you make the best choice. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Lemorele Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver. The Lemorele Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver is designed to provide an efficient and convenient way to stream high-definition video wirelessly. With features that support long-range transmission and compatibility with various devices, this product aims to enhance your home entertainment experience. Here's a comprehensive look at the pros and cons of the Lemorele HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver. Pros: extended transmission range. One of the most significant advantages of the Lemorele device is its impressive transmission range of up to 200 meters 820 feet in open spaces. Thanks to its dual antenna design and the ability to use both 2.4 GHz and 5.8 GHz frequencies, it provides a strong and stable signal, allowing for flexibility in device placement. High-quality 1080p wireless transmission. The Lemorele receiver supports full HD 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, delivering a clear, smooth, and vibrant image quality. This makes it suitable for watching movies, playing games, and streaming content with minimal distortion or noise. Additionally, it features only 0.06 seconds of latency, which is ideal for real-time gaming and sports viewing. Multiple receivers support. This device can support up to 1 transmitter and 4 receivers, allowing you to switch between different displays easily. This feature is beneficial for setups where multiple screens are required, such as in presentations or home entertainment systems. Wide compatibility. The Lemorele HDMI transmitter receiver is compatible with a variety of HDMI-equipped devices, including TVs, projectors, gaming consoles, PS4, PS5, Blu-ray players, DSLR cameras, and more. This versatility makes it a practical addition to any home entertainment setup. Loop-out IR remote control. The device allows for loop-out functionality, enabling the source device to recognize remote commands. This means you can control your HDMI source device from a secondary location, such as where your TV is placed, adding convenience to your viewing experience. The additional HDMI output on the transmitter also allows for local display monitoring. Cons: signal interference. Although the Lemorele device boasts a long transmission range, obstacles such as walls, bricks, or glass can significantly reduce signal coverage or cause severe signal loss. Users in environments with many barriers may experience issues with connectivity and performance. The Lemorele Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver offers a compelling solution for streaming high-definition content wirelessly. Its extended range, excellent picture quality, and compatibility with a wide range of devices make it an attractive choice for home entertainment. However, potential buyers should be mindful of the limitations regarding signal interference, the lack of 4K support, and the initial setup complexity. Overall, the Lemorele device is a solid investment for those looking to streamline their viewing experience while maintaining high-quality performance. Coming in at number 4, the Vnnbbs Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver. The Vnnbbs Wireless HDMI Video Transmitter Receiver offers an innovative solution for wirelessly transmitting high-definition video and audio to multiple devices. Its ability to eliminate the need for complex wiring makes it an appealing choice for anyone looking to enhance their home entertainment experience. Here's a detailed look at the pros and cons of this device. Pros: ultra-long transmission distance. One of the standout features of the Vnnbbs Wireless HDMI Transmitter Receiver is its impressive transmission distance. This device allows users to enjoy 1080p video signals in another room without the hassle of additional cables or complicated installations. This not only simplifies setup but also helps save on renovation costs associated with wiring. 1080p wireless transmission. The device supports wireless transmission of 1080p video quality, allowing you to stream content to your TV or projector seamlessly. There's no need for an extra cable box, and setup is a breeze with its plug-and-play functionality, eliminating the requirement for driver installations. High picture quality. With support for 1080p resolution at 60 Hz, the Vnnbbs device delivers a clear and natural viewing experience. The high refresh rate ensures smooth playback, making it ideal for watching movies, gaming, or any activity that requires high-quality visuals. Wide compatibility. The Vnnbbs receiver is compatible with a variety of devices, including DVD players, DVRs, DVRs, IPTV, CCTV, Blu-ray players, set-top boxes, cable satellite boxes, and gaming consoles. This broad compatibility allows it to fit seamlessly into existing setups and enhances versatility across different applications. Improved wireless signal. Operating on a 5.8 GHz frequency with a dual antenna design, This device enhances the quality and reliability of the wireless signal. This ensures a stable connection, reducing the chances of interruptions during streaming. Cons: limited range with obstacles. While the Vnnbbs boasts an ultra-long transmission distance, physical barriers such as walls and furniture can affect signal quality and range. Users in larger spaces may experience degraded performance if the line of sight is obstructed. The Vnnbbs wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver provides an effective solution for wirelessly transmitting high-definition video and audio without the need for complex wiring. With its ultra-long transmission distance, compatibility with a variety of devices, and high picture quality, it stands out as a valuable addition to any home entertainment system. At number 3, we have the Bovbox Wl-900S wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver. The Bovbox Wl-900S wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver is designed to facilitate seamless video transmission across various devices, making it an attractive option for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. With its array of features, this device promises to enhance your multimedia experience. Here's a closer examination of its pros and cons. Pros: high compatibility. The Wl-900S boasts versatile compatibility with a range of devices including game consoles, HD cameras, and laptops. This broad compatibility ensures that users can effortlessly connect their favorite devices, making it suitable for diverse video needs, whether for gaming, presentations, or streaming. And plug-and-play convenience. With its plug-and-play functionality, the Wl-900S offers an effortless setup experience. Users can simply connect the device without any additional setup or configuration, allowing them to start streaming or sharing content right out of the box. This feature is particularly beneficial for those who may not be tech-savvy or want a quick solution. Ultra-low latency. One of the standout features of the Wl-900S is its ultra-low latency of 0.1 seconds. This ensures that users experience real-time visuals, making it ideal for live streaming and gaming scenarios where timing is crucial. The minimal delay enhances the overall experience, providing smooth and responsive performance. Multiple power supply modes. The device supports various power sources including USB and a 5V2 power adapter. This flexibility in power supply options allows users to adapt the Wl-900S to different usage scenarios, whether they are at home, in the office, or on the go. This convenience ensures that users can keep their device powered in multiple settings. Long-range transmission. With a transmission range of up to 200 meters in a straight line, the Wl-900S is ideal for larger spaces where a strong signal is needed without relying on Wi-Fi. This long-range capability makes it suitable for events, large rooms, or outdoor setups, allowing users to maintain a strong connection without interruption. Cons: potential interference. As with many wireless devices, the Wl-900S may be susceptible to interference from other electronic devices operating on similar frequencies. Users should be mindful of their surroundings and minimize potential sources of interference to ensure optimal performance. The Bovbox Wl-900S wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver presents a compelling option for those seeking an efficient and high-quality solution for wireless video transmission. With its high compatibility, plug-and-play convenience, and ultra-low latency, it caters to a wide range of multimedia needs. However, potential limitations related to line-of-sight dependency, HDMI compatibility, and susceptibility to interference should be considered. Overall, the Wl-900S stands out as a powerful tool for enhancing video connectivity in diverse environments, making it a valuable addition for gamers, content creators, and professionals alike. Next up at number 2 is the Hagibis G6W wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver. The Hagibis G6W wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver is a powerful tool for streaming high-definition video and audio without the hassle of cables. With the ability to connect multiple transmitters to a single receiver, it offers a versatile solution for both home entertainment and professional setups. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of this device. Pros: many-to-one mode. One of the standout features of the Hagibis G6W is its ability to connect up to 8 transmitters to a single receiver. This means you can easily switch between different devices such as gaming consoles, set-top boxes, or laptops without having to disconnect and reconnect cables. It's perfect for shared environments where multiple users want to share their screens without interference. Dual screen output. The device supports HDMI, VGA, and 3.5mm jack outputs simultaneously or separately. This flexibility allows you to set up dual screen environments effortlessly, making it ideal for presentations, gaming, or simply enjoying content on different displays. crystal clear transmission. The Hagibis G6W boasts the ability to stream uncompressed HD video and audio with ultra-low latency. Whether you're watching 3D content or playing video games, the device ensures real-time transmission without noticeable lag, maintaining a high-quality viewing experience. No Wi-Fi required. One of the key advantages of this device is that it operates independently of Wi-Fi networks. You can place your TV or projector up to 50 meters away from the source, giving you the freedom to arrange your setup without worrying about connectivity issues. This feature is particularly useful in larger rooms or outdoor settings. Plug-and-play setup. The Hagibis G6W is designed for ease of use. It can be set up in under 20 seconds. Just connect the transmitter to your HDMI source and the receiver to your display. This straightforward setup process makes it accessible for users of all technical levels. Compatibility. The HDMI interface is highly compatible with a wide range of devices. It can also be converted to other interfaces, making it versatile enough to work with devices that don't have an HDMI output. Whether you're using a laptop, gaming console, or other HDMI-enabled devices, the Hagibis G6W can handle it. Cons. Limited range. Although the device can function within a 50-meter range, obstacles like walls and furniture can affect signal strength and quality. In larger spaces with barriers, users might experience reduced performance or connectivity issues. The Hagibis G6W wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver offers a convenient and flexible solution for streaming high-definition video and audio across multiple devices. Its many-to-one capability, dual-screen output, and ease of use make it an attractive option for both home and professional use. However, potential buyers should weigh the added costs of additional transmitters and consider the device's range limitations. Overall, it's a solid choice for those looking to eliminate the clutter of cables while enjoying high-quality media streaming. Finally, at number 1, we have the Ugreen CM586 wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver. The Ugreen CM586 wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver has gained attention for its ability to wirelessly transmit high-definition video signals. Supporting up to 4K resolution at 30 Hz, it promises a seamless viewing experience for various applications, from presentations to home entertainment. Here's a closer look at the pros and cons of this device. The pros: high-quality display. The Ugreen CM586 supports resolutions up to 4K at 30 Hz, ensuring that users can enjoy crystal-clear visuals. This makes it ideal for high-definition video playback and presentations, where detail matters. Dual video output. With dual video output capabilities, this transmitter and receiver can connect to multiple screens simultaneously. This feature is particularly beneficial for professional settings, allowing for enhanced multitasking and effective presentations. User-friendly operation. The device features a click-and-go design, which simplifies the connection process. Users can connect to their screens with just one click, eliminating the need for complicated setups and ensuring a hassle-free experience. Broad compatibility. The Ugreen CM586 is designed to be compatible with a wide range of devices, making it versatile for various applications. Whether you're connecting a laptop, tablet, or other HDMI-compatible devices, this receiver can handle it. Stable and fast transmission. Operating on both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequencies, this wireless connection provides a stable and faster transmission. This dual-band capability minimizes interruptions and enhances the overall viewing experience, particularly in environments with many wireless signals. Cons. 4K resolution at limited frame rate. Although the CM586 supports 4K resolution, it operates at a maximum frame rate of 30 Hz. For users seeking higher frame rates for smoother motion, such as gamers or those watching fast-paced videos, this limitation may be a drawback. The Ugreen CM586 wireless HDMI video transmitter receiver offers an impressive array of features for those seeking to wirelessly transmit high-definition video signals. Its high-quality display, user-friendly design, and broad compatibility make it a solid choice for many users. However, potential limitations regarding audio connectivity, range, and HDMI dependency may impact its usability for some. Ultimately, it serves as a valuable tool for enhancing video transmission in various settings, but users should consider their specific needs and setups before making a purchase.